I thought I'd be nice and start with a multiple choice question. Okay, so in the diagram below, try ABC. ABC is parallel to DEF, DEF. Okay, they've already shown us already. Remember I said straight line geometry will also come and take a sneak peek in this. DEB is 70%, that 70 degrees. Of course, I say percent because I've been doing percent with my kids at school. Degrees, 70 degrees. Okay, there it is. They've given us. F is equal to 40 degrees. There we go. We have it. ABE is equal to X. There we go. They've given us. And CBF is equal to Y. Okay, choose the correct statement for X and Y. How much is X and how much is Y? Let's hear. C, everybody's saying C. So everybody is saying that X is 110 and Y is 40 degrees. I need reasons. I'm going to need reasons. Why is Y 40 degrees? Why is Y? So Y is equal to 40 degrees. And my reason is what? Yes, Siam Tanda.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I calculated X first.
Okay.
And X is equal to 110 degrees. And the reason is co-interior angles.
Yay. Co-interior angles and AC. You don't have to write ABC. That's so much work. That's parallel to DF. Thank you very much, Sia.
And Y is equals to 40 degrees because of alternate angles.
Alternate angles. Thank you. Okay, off to a good start. I love this. Right, thank you, Sia. For those of you who might have been lost a little bit about what we were doing. Oh, and today's quiz day. I forgot to announce quiz day. Boo, 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 boo. Anyway, I missed you guys as well. I missed you guys a lot. So for X, for those of you who may have missed it, we said X plus 70 degrees is 180 degrees because co-interior angles. Look, there is my U. Okay, we're off to a good start. Okay, let's go. Next, quadrilateral, K-A-T-E, Kate. I was very tempted to say it and I had to say it, is given below. Which statement best describes this quadrilateral? So without looking at the options, what kind of shape is K-A-T-E? Which quad is K-A-T-E? Let's see what we have to say. Mikhail says square. Okay, Kamukhelo says D, so a rhombus. Kite, okay. Kite, oral D. Rhombus. Oh, is there anyone who's willing to raise their hand and justify their choice? So if you say rhombus, does anybody want to raise their hand and say why they say rhombus? Kite. Does anybody want to raise their hand and say why is it a kite? What do we say? Anyone? Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. Pretend you're in an exam and you're figuring it out. Okay, so that's what we like about maths as maths teachers. You need to sit with your sketch and figure it out. There we go. Zianda. Hi, Zianda.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm not sure, but I would say it is B. Kate is a rhombus because KT is that perpendicular?
No, that's parallel.
Can't, oh, okay. To AE and AK equals AT. All sides are equal.
Oh, wait, sorry. I was reading A. I'm sorry, I was reading A. That is perpendicular. You meant that one, right?
Yes.
Yes, that is perpendicular, Zianda. Beautiful. So you said KT is perpendicular to AE, which is true because it's given by this 90 degree in the middle. And everything is equal to everything. So all the sides are equal. Beautiful. And that is exactly what I would have said as well. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, why is this not a square? Does anybody remember what condition makes this not a square? Anyone? Hi, Keegan, welcome. Yes, Umulimo. Oh, never mind, Umulimo's gone. Oh, Umulimo's back. Yes, Umulimo.
A square, all four corners are equal to 90 degrees.
Thank you, Umulimo. That was brilliant. So if this was a square, they would have had to tell us that at least one of these are 90 degrees, which they did not. So we cannot say this is a square if we don't know that, right? And why is it not a kite, guys? Yes, Nkateko, I see, you guys got this. Why is it not a kite? Anyone have a reason why it cannot be a kite? No. Okay, for a kite, guys, thank you. All the sides are equal, so it cannot be a kite. For a kite, only two adjacent sides are equal. So a kite looks like this, right? So these two will be equal, and then these short ones will be equal. Not all four are equal, but in this case, we have been told that all four are equal. So therefore, my answer has to be B. Kate is a rhombus. I shouldn't say Kate because we shouldn't be saying its name. K-A-T-E is a rhombus because this is parallel to that, as in we have a 90 degree over there, and all the sides are equal. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you guys for area. Chichi. Hi, Chichi. And perimeter of this triangle. Okay. Area and perimeter of the big triangle, ABC. Okay, ABC. That was lousy highlighting, but you guys get the point. Okay, so we've been told that BA is perpendicular to AC, which means there's a 90 degree. They've given us, there it is. And we have another one over here because AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, and then they've told us A1 is equal to C. Oh, that's interesting. A1 is equal to angle C. Okay, then they've given us nice dimensions and we want the area and perimeter. Okay, Akila, there we go. Quickly, the answer is B. I don't know how else to do it. Maybe highlighting is better than drawing a weird circle. Okay. There we go. Now, do we have enough information to get the area and perimeter of ABC? Let's start with area. Do we have enough information to get the area of triangle ABC? Anyone? What do we need to get the area of triangle ABC? Maybe I should start there. Yes, we do, Zianda. What do we need? Which dimensions do we need for triangle ABC in order to figure out the area? Yes, but I mean, which sides? There we go. Half base times height. There we go. There we go. So we need the base, which is BC, is all of this, and our perpendicular heights, which is AD. So we said area is half of base times height. What is my base? How much is my base? 8. Thank you very much, Luguwe. And my perpendicular height? My perpendicular height is 4. Okay, so what is half times 8 times 4? Oh, I forgot to say we have to have our calculators today, but you can do this without a calculator, guys. Half times 8 times 4, it is 16 centimeters squared because it's area. Area is pretty easy, right? Now I want perimeter of the big triangle. Do I have enough information? Do I have enough information for perimeter? No. Thank you, Mikhail. We need to do Pythag. Which two sides are missing? Okay, well, I already told you it's two sides. Which sides are missing? In order for us to get, okay, we need AC and we need AB. Thanks, Omolemo. So we need AC and AB, but we cannot use the big triangle to find them, right? Because what? Because it only has one side. So how about we found AC? Let's do AC. So AD squared plus DC squared equals AC squared. Do we have AD? There we go. My reason is Pythagoras. I almost forgot. I actually forgot our reasons above, guys. Nobody reminded me to put reasons, but it's fine. Pythagoras, okay? Now, do we have AD? Okay, you guys saying AB. Okay, we're doing this triangle right now. We're here. Do we have AD, guys? Oh, you meant AD. I hope. So AD is 4 squared plus DC, which is 5 squared, will give us the side we want, which is AC squared. Do you guys see that AC is the hypotenuse of the smaller triangle? So we're doing Pythagoras of this triangle over here. Okay. That's the one we're doing. Because if D1 is 90, then D2 is also 90 degrees. So our hypotenuse in this case is AC, which is why I said that side squared plus that side squared will give us AC squared. Now that means 16 plus 25 is AC squared, which means AC will be the square root of what's 16 plus 25? 41, I hope. Okay, so now we have AC. Okay, we have AC. Now we need AB. What's the easiest way? Who knows what AB is before we even go through all of that? Who knows what AB is? Does anybody know? Was I just do Pythagoras? That's fine too. AD squared plus BD squared. Nope, is AB squared. Look carefully, guys. Do you guys know Pythagorean triplets? Oh, look who knows it. 4 squared plus 3 squared is AB squared. So 16 plus 9 is AB squared. 25, and then you square root both sides. Therefore, AB is 5. So then, now that we have all our sides, that's 5. And that's the square root of 41. Now, what is my perimeter? Perimeter equals, I think I should make my pen a little bit. There we go. Perimeter is what? 5 plus, come on guys, there's 80 something of you guys in here. We need to participate. Remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. What's my perimeter, guys? There we go. Thanks, Lugue. Side 1 is 5. How much is side 2 and how much is side 3? Look at the triangle. We're looking for perimeter of the big triangle, which is ABC. Square root of 41. Thank you very much. Well, how much is my third side, guys? My third side is this one. There we go. Plus 8. Then you just type that into your calculator and let us hear what my answer is. Remember to square root the 41. Okay, it's not just 41. Square root the 41. What's my answer? 19,4 centimeters. Okay. Are we good? Hope we're good. Alrighty then. Now let's see if we know our shapes. Let's see if we know our shapes. So I have a bunch of shapes here, and I have a bunch of properties here, and I need you guys to tell me what goes where. So a four-sided shape with one pair of opposite sides parallel. One pair. So which shape would you guys say that is? Okay, let me go back and take a screenshot and allow you guys to take a screenshot. One pair, guys. What does one pair mean? I'll draw it just now for you guys. Okay, I hope you've taken a screenshot. One pair, guys. What does one pair mean? It means this side is parallel to that side, like so. But does it mean the other two are parallel? No, only one of them are parallel. So this one could be like that and like that. Yes, Bokang, do you know what the shape is?
The shape is trapezium, ma'am.
Thank you, Bokang, beautiful. Trapezium. Thank you very much, Bokang. That was beautiful.
Yes. Now I just want to let you know that I didn't start with anything as yet.
Okay. All
So you can
right.
feel.
All right. Thank you. Okay, guys. As I was saying, thanks, Chichi. With the other shapes you guys were talking about, all the sides have to be parallel, not just one pair, both of them. Okay. So the only shape that has one pair of parallel sides is a trapezium. So our answer for the first one is trapezium. Okay, 3.1.2, a four-sided shape with four equal sides, equal diagonals that bisect each other perpendicularly, and four equal angles. Zianda, are the diagonals of a rhombus equal? Let's ask ourselves. Are the diagonals of a rhombus equal? No. So which shape are we talking about here? It's not a rhombus, but it is a square, guys. It is a square. Nice, guys. All four sides are equal. Diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. And four angles are equal. They're all 90 degrees. Okay, Chi-Chi, triangles has three sides, my dear. Not four. Okay. Next one, a four-sided shape with perpendicular diagonals and two pairs of adjacent sides equal in length. That would be correct. A kite. Okay, so adjacent means next to each other. So remember up there when I drew the kites and I was trying to show you why the other one is not a kite? Okay, so there and the adjacent means this one is equal to that one and this one is equal to that one. Okay, a three-sided shape with three equal angles. There we go, equilateral triangle. Bogan, do you have a question? What is happening with my handwriting? Okay, let's fix this. Let us fix this. This is not life. Equilateral. It's not fixing, but it's okay. Okay. And the last one says, leave my handwriting alone. Last one said a four-sided shape with equal diagonals that bisect each other, but the diagonals are not perpendicular. Not perpendicular. What did I say, Chichi? Are you sure? Think about it, guys. Okay, I will when I'm finished. Think about it. Four-sided shape. Diagonals are equal. Yee. Diagonals are equal but not parallel, but not perpendicular. Oh my goodness. It's a rectangle, guys. Come on. Wait, a rectangle. Now I'm getting confused. Now I'm getting confused. Imagine. And my internet is not doing the things again. I know my network is not doing the things, but please bear with me, guys. This is a rectangle. That's the one I do, and there's not a brain break anytime soon. Oh my goodness. It's a rectangle, guys. The Wi-Fi isn't Wi-Fi, guys. We've had load shedding for 4 hours now. The Wi-Fi is also like, me, I'm tired. Me, I'm tired. Okay. Few seconds for screenshots, and then we're gonna move on. We'll have a brain break at the end. Okay, I hope we're done. Rectangle. It's a rectangle. Ready? Okay. Now, everybody calm down. Given that triangle WAS and rectangle TADE, that's what's been given to us. Okay, prove with reasons that triangle WTE symbol stand for. Let's see if we know what does the symbol stand for. Do we know? There we go. So prove that triangle WTE is similar to triangle EDS. Okay, so this one must be similar to this one. Okay, what are the conditions to prove similarity? What are our conditions to prove similarity? Yes, Chichi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, how I answer you is that how to prove it is that the two shapes have to be the same and the same height and the same length as they are.
Okay, the same. Are you sure?
It says similarities, so I'm thinking of the lesson that we had on Tuesday, so it just popped up in my mind.
So remember, similar is not congruent. Congruent triangle are exactly the same. Okay, but similar, when you say something is similar, you don't mean they're exactly the same. Isn't that true? When you say
Yes, ma'am.
you're saying they have similar properties, but they're not necessarily equal,
Similar, equal.
right? So how do
Okay,
we
ma'am.
prove similarity, guys? Does anybody know? They are both 90 degrees, says Karabo. Does anyone know the conditions? Ooh, I'm getting nervous. Yes, Bokang.
Corresponding side in proportion.
Okay, corresponding sides are in proportion. And what's the second way to prove it? Angles are equal. Beautiful, Bokang. So we either prove that all the angles are equal or that the corresponding sides are equal. I don't know. In proportion, excuse me. Now, are we going to be able to prove either of those? Let us check. Let us look at our sketch, guys. So I have an X over there and a Y over there, X over there, Y over there. Okay, let me do this because there's a lot going on here. And a bunch of 90 degrees everywhere. So can we prove anything to do with the corresponding sides? No, I don't think we're going to be able to do that. But I think we should play around with angles. So we want to prove angle, angle, angle. Let's hear. Omolemo, your hand just went up.
Ma'am, it's a right angled triangle, ma'am, meaning the other two angles will be the same.
Not
So there'll be a
necessarily. So yes, we have this angle that we know is 90. So T1 is equal to 90 degrees. And okay, let me say T1 is equal to D2. What reason would I use for that?
given, ma'am.
Given. Okay. Given. Okay. Let me check ADS and WTE. So it is these two. It's this one and this one. Okay. What else can we do to prove this?
Ma'am, you can say E and S are the same. E2 and S. E2.
E2 and S. Why would you say E2 and S are the same?
The interior angles of a triangle have to equal 180 degrees.
True, but we don't know if this is a isosceles triangle. Do you agree?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So we would have to be given that this was an isosceles triangle, but right now we have not been given anything to tell us this is an isosceles triangle. I see Ziana says E is common. Between which ones, my dear? E is not common. I feel like I need to fill in the stuff because I'm also not seeing what we're supposed to do here. And okay. Simone, I said this question and now I'm like, what's going on here?
I am also trying to figure it out.
And this is grade 9, guys. 2 teachers are sitting here with grade 9. And we don't know what's going on. Hectic. Okay, that's equal to. We don't know anything about anything. Jeez. Okay, never mind. I forgot how you do this one. Hectic. Maybe we should all have a brain break and come back to this after. A1 is equal to D2, corresponding. Yeah, but we already know that, guys. There's already a 90 degree there. We already know that. Okay, we'll come back to this one and prove our similarity. Now I want to go to brain break, but I also want to look at it. That's fine. That time I still have that one. Okay, brain break. You guys just wanted a brain break. Have you never had a brain break since I left? Aibu. Chichi?
Hello.
Hello.
I would rather control ice.
Ice. Why
Yes.
ice?
Yeah, because when it's hot. Just put some ice there and let it melt, and then you like have like your own swimming pool.
And then
I'm
when
gonna be
it's
Elsa
cold,
for once. When it's cold, I'll turn to Sasha, because
oh my goodness. Oh
No,
my
but ma'am,
goodness.
I'll be Elsa. I'll be Elsa just for a
You just
minute,
wanna sing. You just wanna sing.
Yes, let it go, let it
my
go. Can't hold it back anymore.
guys are not real. I can't believe it. Guys, this is too much. You can't choose stuff because you wanna be Elsa. Hi, Kamogelo, are you ready? Kamogelo. Is Kamogelo there? Would you rather be able to turn into a giant or be able to shrink into the size of an ant? Insect. It doesn't say ant, it says insect. What would you rather have? Shrink. Nobody wants to be a giant. Oh, never mind. Rasa Baka wants to be a giant. I don't like people looking at me in the first place. And if you are a giant, you best believe everyone's going to be looking at you. Yee. People are going to step on you. Just shrink in the right places, guys. Likona.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Oh, I think I would shrink into a small animal.
I also would. I would rather shrink and just disappear, honestly. If you're a giant, everyone knows where you are.
Yes, ma'am.
No, thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Why you talk about stepping on people? Next one, would you rather wear patterns or very bright, solid colors? Terrible patterns head to toe. Imagine. Head to toe pattern. You are, you know what, you are either stripy or you are something. Very bright colors. Oh, hectic. Who said both? Hectic. Bright, solid colors. I actually don't know what I choose for this. I actually don't know what I choose for this. She's like, none of them. Okay, would you rather have a permanent unibrow or no eyebrows at all? Permanent unibrow, no eyebrows at all. She's like, going through a lot over there. Sandra's like unibrow. Oh my goodness, Simone, what would you rather have? This is a difficult one.
I think I'm gonna go with a permanent unibrow. I feel like you can cover it up better than you can cover up no eyebrows.
How are you gonna cover it up?
Like, don't ask me hard questions. You can dye the middle, you know, so that's like your skin color.
I thought of the same thing.
Yeah, I would go with a unibrow, permanent unibrow. It's fine.
Dye the middle of the unibrow, guys. Dye it the same color as your skin and then be out. Be absolutely out. Okay, let's do one more question. That's not the one that refused to be done just now. Nicknames becomes the brow. Oh, have you guys watched Stinging? Angry Birds. That's what this made me think of. Eyebrows. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Okay. We are back to congruency and similarity. This time we're proving why ABC is congruent to DCB. Okay, now what are my conditions for congruency? Who knows the conditions for congruency? Congruent means prove that they are the exact same triangle. Okay, so same size and everything. How do you guys think we're going to prove that? Put it in the chat. Do you remember any of the conditions? Yes, Bokang is back. Yes, Bokang.
And then we are going to see if we have RHS
Okay.
or ASA.
ASA, angles, isn't it side angle side? SAS.
Or SAS.
Oh, this was side angle angle. Yes, that's true. Nice. So what do you
Last
guys
one
think
is-
we're gonna
Last one is triple S.
side, side, side. This time they are absolutely equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Not in proportion. There we go. Now, guys, let's look at our triangle, okay? Do we have a right angle? Do we have a right angle, guys? No, we don't. So we cannot use the RHS because that one requires a right angle, right? The R stands for the right angle or the 90 degrees. So we cannot do this. Now, where do you see the right angle? Remember, you must be told it's a right angle. So there must either be a 90 degree there or a block that shows you that it's 90 degrees. Okay. Mikhail says we're going to use side, angle, side. Okay, what do these things mean? What do those little things mean? What do they mean? Equal. Thanks, Lesejo. So in these two triangles, is it right if I say AB is equal to DC? Right? So we've proven that one side is equal. Beautiful. Now, what else can we prove is equal? Is there anything else that you can see on the sketch that you can say is equal? What else can we say is equal? Yes, the angles. Angle B, there it is, and angle C. So we can say angle B is equal to angle C, right? So for these two that I just wrote here, your reason would be what? Given. Because they were given, right? They were on the sketch. So given. Now, what's the last thing that we can see that is true? So we've proven one side, an angle. Now we either need another angle or another side. Yes, if it's not on the sketch, it's not given unless they give it to you in information. You know, sometimes they give you like information just before the sketch. They'll be like, in this triangle, this is 90 degrees. If that's not given, then no, you can't assume. Okay. So we either need to prove another side is equal or we need to prove that another angle is equal. Does anybody see? Someone says AC and DB. Okay, how did you decide that they're equal? How do you decide that they're equal? Is there anyone who has a different idea or who can tell me why AC and DB are equal if they are? This is your hint. These triangles are overlapping, right? Overlapping triangles, which means what? Anyone see it? They share a side. Look at that side. If that side is on both triangles, then what do we say? What's my reason? BC is equal to BC because it is a common side. Okay, so we've proved side, angle, side, and we can say, therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to side, angle, side. Am I better? Am I back? There we go. So we say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB because we've proven that a side, an angle, and a side are equal. Okay, guys, it is 10 minutes before the end of the lesson, and I think we can do another one. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. Calculate the size of B. B is all the way here. Whoop. Oh, screenshots. Sorry. Chichi was expecting me to say it's 10 minutes before the end of a lesson. Goodbye and so long, and that's not going to happen. Let's do one more. Okay. So if this is a parallelogram, you guys are complaining, and we want B. Okay, we don't have enough information right now to work out B, but what can we do with the information we do have, guys? They have given us angle A and angle D. Does anyone have an idea about what we can do with those two angles? Oh no, Chi. Anyone have an idea what we can do with those two angles? Yes, Bogang?
And then we can say 2x
Mm-hmm.
plus x
Mm-hmm.
is equals to negative 50 plus 20.
Not quite, Bokang. But look at where these are. What can we do with these angles? Let me give you a clue. Look there. Not alternate angles, Kanyo, but which one? Look here. Okay, we add them and then what? X plus 50 plus 2x minus 20. Yes, equals 180. Because they are co-interior angles. Do you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
There we go. AB is parallel to DC. I know you would have gotten it. Then x plus 2x is how much?
2x.
3x plus 30
Oh, 3x.
is 180.
Equals to
Okay,
180.
and then what?
3x is equals to 180 minus 30.
Thank you. And then
3x is equals to 180 minus 30. How much is it? Equals to 150.
There we go. And then
Over 3x over 3.
here we go. Therefore, x is
X is 50.
nice. Nice, Bokang. So now we have x is 50, okay? So then this angle will be 50 plus 50, which is 100, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we look at the other way. The U is facing the other way now, it's this one. So if A is 100 degrees, how much is B? N B is, anyone help us in the chat? 80, guys. 80, there we go. Yes, guys. Okay, let me let you go. Now you have 5 minutes to go and do the quiz while we run on. Plus B. My handwriting is like bye. Because of coin is equal to 80.